What up, guys? Bear Automotive Service here. I already popped the tire off this car that we're going to be doing, but quick view of our advertisement stickers. We got our air compressor and a generator in the back. Nice little vehicle. And this is our setup. I'll take these off. And then I'll leave two, And I have shop air, guys. This is just easier. Three hits. Boom, pop, pow. Wow, look at that. Yep. That tie rod, that inner tie rod's definitely shot. Yep, and we'll just go to right there, so if it happens to come down, it'll just sit right on that jack stand, and it won't crush anybody or anything. Oh, a bit sketchy. Pull that out. Yeah, I feel safe. Okay. Get behind it and just beat it like that. And we're off, ladies. The repair manual said I had to drop this shield, but I've never had to drop the shield before. I just go right here, I get in here, and I get dirty. I don't care. We're getting stuff done at Bear Automotive Service, just like so. And that'll come out. Boom, like that. You're gonna clean up in there like the service manual says. Clean this all off, spray brake clean in there. I've received the package. We're gonna head back. Catch you guys in a minute. Carefully clean the oil off the threads. Get a new part of your rag. Clean it. Okay? Now this part can be a little iffy, but you're gonna clean out that old one. I really like to spray it in there. Give it a couple drops like so. Get that started. Do not force it. Don't force anything. Alright, then you're going to snug that up. We have that Loctite on there. You're going to go back under with your big old wrench. Get this wrench on here nice and tight. Like so. We're going to tighten this bad boy up even more. Yeah! Alright, that's nice and tight. It's Loctited. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 26, 27, and 28 is where we want to be. On the jam nut. Till it's nice and tight. He wants it today, so we're gonna stay out here. Cotter pin, grease zert, washer, okay? Washer goes on first, castle nut next. Okay, push that down, suck that on up there. Hot. Make sure that this is on go. Alright. We're gonna look. It's good, it's tight. Now we take our cotter pin and I take it and I start that in by hand, and then just take your 7mm. You can use a wrench or anything. Don't choke up on this thing. You'll snap this right off inside. Wipe off your grease zert so it doesn't accumulate dirt. Wipe this off. Here it comes. Jeez. OP. Few pumps in there. And yeah, then you just throw your tire back together,